Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and let me show you how to take motion photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here and move up to this settings bar. Now we have to simply use the button, the second from the right, so just one tap to turn it on, another tap to turn it off. Here we have this option with motion photo, and when we take a picture now, we should get 2-in-1, the photo and the short clip. So let me try to use this by taking a photo now. To see it, let's move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And now we can see the picture with option View Motion Photo, so let's tap on it. And this is how the short clip looks like. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.